How's everybody doing today? Welcome back. I've been busy in the garage again, making mufflers. It's on my 372 here. I'll show you. Well, hang on. Let me show you this. This is the muffler that I took off of it. It's the one I had on it. You guys have seen it run past videos. Sounds pretty good. Seems to give a little more power. But I was watching videos on YouTube. A guy named Ironhorse. He's a very smart man. He's got a YouTube channel. Port saws, shows you how to do it, this and that. Makes mufflers. I've learned quite a bit from him, but he had a muffler like this, and he says, them ports are just way too big. Which makes sense, because you're letting all your exhaust gas out, losing all your back pressure. So, I'll show you what I made here. This was actually his design. I got it off his video, and I built it myself. He says this thing just makes power like you wouldn't believe. Sounds good too. It's not quite as loud as the other one I had on it, but I haven't noticed too big of a power difference. I mean, it does seem like it's got a little more torque. But I got a few rounds of hard hack set up here. We're going to rip them because that's all I got to cut. And I want to try her out here. I cut some pine yesterday with it, but pine's soft. It doesn't really work it. But let me set you up here. This is a cold start. I have not started this saw yet today. I ran it yesterday. And we're going to try her here now. What do you guys think of that? I'm not even pushing on the saw. I'm just setting it on there. That's the weight of the saw going right through it. I think it does make a little more power. So, but yeah, if you guys get bored or whatever, check out the Ironhorse on YouTube. His name's Harvey. He's a pretty smart guy. Learned quite a bit. If you want to learn how to port saws and build saws and this and that, he'll teach you. He's got videos there. So this is my version of the Ironhorse muffler. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.